Hi traders, today we're going to go through trend trades, where I look for trend trades, how I determine what the trend is. So we'll start with what types of trends we've got. And obviously we've got two types of trends. We've got an uptrend and a downtrend. So I'll just quickly draw to give you a better idea on what a downtrend is. So if price starts up here and then it forms a new low, and then a lower lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So as you can see, price is stepping lower, and they're really easy to spot. And then if we look in comparison to what an uptrend is, again, if price starts down in the bottom left hand corner, forms a new high, a new higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Again, price is stepping higher, and they're really easy to spot. It's the easiest way to see what the market is doing. So whenever we look at a particular chart, we need to have a way of analysing what the trend is quickly. So what I do is I start on the left hand side and then move across to the right hand side. So with this particular pair, this particular chart, you can see price starts in the top left and ends up in the bottom right. So price has been moving lower. So we've got a downtrend. Just to quickly show you what an uptrend would look like on here. If price started in this bottom left hand corner and ended up in the top right, price is moving up, so we're in an uptrend. So as you can see, they're really easy to spot, and it's using trend trades are definitely my recommendation for any new traders, because they're definitely the better trades to start with. You've got a better chance of getting those runners that we all want, and they just put the odds in our favour because we're trading with the current momentum. So how do I look to get into a trend trade? So if we use this chart, we've got a downtrend. So what I'm looking for is to find a support level. So this level kind of stands out. We can see this candle rejects, and then we've got another long wick candle that rejects another wick here. So this is acting as support. So I've got a nice strong move down, and I found a support level. So now what I'm doing is waiting to see if I can get this level to be broken, and then looking for a retest. So I'll just quickly draw. As you can see, price pushes down, breaks through that level, and then retraces, pulls back to this level. So I'm looking now for this old support to act as resistance, and as you can see, price does pull back, and we get a nice bearish engulfing bar to indicate that this level is now holding and is acting as resistance. So I'm using a key level and then the price action to trigger me into a trade, and as you can see, then price pushes on lower. In comparison, with an uptrend, we want to find a resistance level. So I'll try to draw it as best I can on here. We've got a high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. So if we were to mark this area and then wait for that level to break, we'd be looking for price to pull back, and then a bullish price action setup to get us into a trade to push price higher. And it's as simple as that. It doesn't have to be any more complicated. It's purely about marking our levels, waiting for them to break, and then looking for a pullback and then a price action setup. So if this video has got you interested in price action, or maybe just using clean charts and no indicators, head on over to dontlettheforexdriveyouupthewall.com. It's got loads of information, lots of articles, and basically goes through exactly how I see the markets and how I trade the markets. If this video has helped you out at all, please give me a like or a nice comment. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.